Videographers, you don't just create for passion, you create with purpose. Every frame is crafted with intent. Every shot a reflection of your skill and standards. The pressure is real, the timelines are tight. This is the Canon EOS C50. Built for creators under pressure. Engineered for professionals who do it all, whether solo or within a lean crew. From interviews to socials, weddings to independent filmmaking, this camera earns its place on every job. One camera, every shot. This is Canon's smallest and lightest pro cinema camera yet. Perfect for any production anywhere. With a detachable top handle, articulating LCD, active cooling, and 14 assignable buttons. Every control is right where you need it. The 7K full-frame sensor delivers stunning imagery with over 15 stops of dynamic range and dual-base ISO, capturing cinema quality in a compact body. Experience open-gate RAW recording flexibility with stunning detail, ideal for widescreen, social media, and high-res anamorphic support. Capture uncompromised 7K RAW internally, or enjoy crystal clear oversampled 4K. RF mount technology delivers advanced optics, class-leading autofocus, and powered zoom capabilities.
Okay.
The EOS C50 is a powerhouse for both filming and photography, delivering high-res video and stills, all in one essential tool. Full-size XLR and HDMI, timecode I/O, and more. Keep you synced and connected when you need it. XC protocol compatibility gives you effortless remote control for multicam and live production setups. And finally, the EOS C50 is built to support next-generation virtual production, VFX, and VR workflows, so you're ready for what's next.
One, action. All right, good.
Quality speaks for itself. You deserve gear that performs, inspires, and elevates. The Canon EOS C50, built to keep pace, designed to stand out, ready for your next move. And for current EOS C400 users, OpenGate will arrive via a free firmware update later this year.